Hi, welcome to my channel. If this is the first video of mine you're seeing, my name is Rachel and I like to make stuff here. Since I've mostly been sewing lately, you can expect to see a little bit of personal style chit chat here too. Okay, so recently I posted a super detailed, in-depth video about all of the clothes that I made this past year of sewing. This was my first year of consistent sewing. I did not start from scratch. I have known how to use a sewing machine for a long time, but last spring I was inspired to start making clothes for myself when I realized that after the pandemic, after having a baby, after moving across the country, I had not gone shopping in a really long time, and I didn't really have any summer clothes that were remotely new. So since then, I have made over 60 things. Not all of those things are on this rack over here. Some of those things have been given to other people as gifts. Some of those things are not clothes, but in this video, I'm just going to try everything on for you that I have on this rack. I know that some of you here are not interested in sewing at all, but are curious about what I've made. So this is the video for you. If you do want to watch that super detailed video, I will have it linked. I go through and I talk about each of these things. So if that sounds interesting to you, head on over to that video and you can watch the whole thing. All right, let's try on some clothes. All right, you guys, that is everything that is on this rack, all the clothes that I made for myself this year. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make, and it was really fun to just kind of go back and try everything on and reflect on all the little lessons that I learned over the past year of sewing. Let me know what your favorite piece was in the comments, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider doing that. If you like this video, then like this video. If you didn't like this video, then I hope you like the next one. All right, well, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I will see you later. Bye.